Hi everybody, Jason Brownell here over at Molding Graphic Systems. Here, excited about some new technology, okay? This is for everybody, whether you are a molder, an end user, whether you're doing rotational molding, blow molding, thermoforming, injection molding, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if it's a hollow part, doesn't matter if it's a rigid part, doesn't matter if it's soft touch material. If it's in the polyolefin family of plastics, now we can help you decorate it, regardless of how it's been manufactured, okay? So what I'm looking at here, got a machine, got a nice soft pad with a really hot die. That's gonna go back to a hot plate, it's gonna pick up heat, and it's going to come forward and come down on top of our graphic material that we've been known for. It's not ink, there's no substrate, okay? The heat comes down on top of it, it's pigmented plastic. It causes the plastic graphic to melt, it causes the plastic part, the skin of the plastic to melt. The two are the same material, they fuse together and become one, so it's one piece of plastic, decorated for the life of the plastic. So I'm excited to show you how this technology works. Looking closely at our graphic, it is not a finished label. This is actually a raw material. It is pigmented plastic suspended in a polymer matrix, and it's printed on a carrier film. As you can see, this is just a raw material, very soft until it fuses into your plastic part. We're back at the machine. We have some simple fixturing here. Again, this is just for alignment purposes only, that's it. You got the payout section, which is where the transfers are. This comes up into the take-up section. You've got the heater assembly that's underneath there. Let's go ahead and cycle this machine. Okay, right now what it's doing, it's picking up heat, okay? That heat's gonna come up, come forward, down onto the part. It's going to sit there for just a couple brief seconds. That graphic is now cooking into the surface of the plastic. The table's gonna go down, and we're ready to decorate our next part. So, next part goes into the fixture. Comes forward with the heat. It's coming down on top of it, decorating it. Comes back up, everything's in a molten state, so it's gonna pause for just a second. Boom, table drops, ready to move on to the next part. Here's the heater assembly. You have the die and the soft pad underneath. This graphic is fully fused into the plastic, and let's prove it by doing an industry standard crosshatch tape test. We're going through and we're cutting all the way through the graphic material down into the plastic. We're using some really aggressive tape. We're gonna put it over the top of it, rub it down nice and tight. Absolutely nothing on the tape, which is to be expected because this graphic is fully fused into the plastic. Let's go ahead and hit it with some lacquer thinner. Again, graphic fully fused into the plastic. That's how easy it is, folks, to decorate polyethylene, polypropylene, the whole polyolefin family of plastics, and that includes cross-link polyethylene. It includes the soft touch materials like SEBS and TPR and TPV. If it's olefin based, we can help you decorate it. Even if it's hollow, like this part, or even if it's curved surfaces, that soft pad, that takes care of all of it. And we just need to get heat to fuse that graphic and the plastic together. So I really appreciate you checking out this new technology and look forward to working with you in the future.